I said I was not going to treat myself this year on my birthday to anything because I've been buying stuff all year. But let's face it, these Dooney sales have just been amazing. And I was able to grab 2 items off of my wish list. So if you want to see what they are, just keep watching. Hey, Andre, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload new videos. But guys, let's get into this. So this is a double unboxing. I didn't even bother to try to lift these boxes to put them in frame for the intro because it's just too much. They're big and they're too heavy. I'm hoping that the lighting in this video is okay, guys, because I'm filming this early in the morning before I sign on for work. The sun hasn't even come out yet, so I have a softbox light. I'm not using natural light like I normally do, so we're just gonna see what this looks like once I'm editing it, and hopefully it's okay. But anyway, so let's get into these boxes. So guys, there was one item that I had been talking about for like the last month or two from Dooney that I was interested in picking up, and I've been watching it, and it's been on and off sale. But last week it went on sale, and I saw it for the cheapest that I've ever seen it on the website. So I decided to go ahead and get it. And then there was another piece that I was interested in. Well, let me say this. There was another pattern from Dooney that I'm interested in, and I finally got a full-size piece in that pattern. So let's just go ahead. We're going to start with this box. And I don't know which is which because I haven't opened either. So Dooney, I splurged and paid for the express shipping, which was like an additional $40. So they were supposed to arrive like within 1 or 2 business days. So one box arrived like promptly, like literally within 2 calendar days. The other box just came yesterday. So it took like maybe 3 days to get here. And so that's why I'm just now filming this. But my birthday is tomorrow. So this is right on time. Okay. So let me get into this box. This first one, and I don't remember if I got these from Dooney.com or I Love Dooney. Let's see what this. This doesn't even. Okay, so these came from I Love Dooney. So these came from I Love Dooney. So the first item that I picked up was the small Greta drawstring. So y'all know that I have recently just started getting into some of Dooney Bourke's patterns, and the DB75 was the first one that really caught my attention. But I have since fell in love with the Greta, especially in this navy and the ivy. I think I want something in ivy as well. But just really interested in the Greta print, and this is adorable. So look at this. Guys, this is just so freaking cute. So I'm gonna be honest, I was actually more excited about the other bag that I ordered, but I think I'm gonna end up liking this one more. So let's get this wrapping off, stuffing out of here so that we can get on the inside. So as y'all can see, it's stuffed really well. And this is one of their coated cotton bags. So I don't expect this to come with a dust bag, although the Art Deco bag came with a dust bag, which really threw me off because I'm just not used to getting dust bags with non-leather pieces from Dooney. But anyway, here we go. So this is what it looks like, completely empty. Let's get this wrapping off of the strap. And guys, this is really just going to be a quick unboxing. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I got for my birthday. So this has, the strap has 6 adjustments. So there's 3 adjustments on each side. So you can make it a little longer or shorter. The inside is the typical Dooney setup, surprisingly. So you've got the zip and slip on the back pocket, and then the large slip pocket on the front wall. And it has 4 feet on the bottom. But I really like this bag. I think this is super cute, and I really like the tassels on the drawstring. I just think this is adorable, and this is the perfect size for me. Now, I do have the Greta frame purse. I don't know if I would use that in here. I mean, there's obviously enough room for that and other items. I just don't know if I would use it because I think it may get a little heavy, even though this isn't heavy. I would probably use my Florentine card case in natural in here, but we'll see when we do a what's in my bag later on. We'll see what I pair with this. But this is the first piece that I got, guys. Really, really nice. Let me just give you guys another close up. Look at this. This is just super cute. I don't know what took me so long to get with the Greta print, but this is amazing. And guys, I got this for such a great deal. I got this for $89. So let's get into the second one. Oh, okay. I didn't even realize. So Dooney actually included a catalog in here. So this is wow, okay. So this catalog is featuring the Canvas collection, which y'all know we've already up on the Canvas collection. I already unboxed a piece and looking at getting something else. But this is nice. So they sent this catalog, and then it also had really nice. So I'll take a look at this later. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description, and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. No stickers though. So let's get into the second piece, guys. So the second piece is one that's actually been on my wish list. I've mentioned it to you in a couple of videos, some of my more recent videos, actually. And this one was only $99. And most recently, it had been on sale for like $159. And then I think I had seen it for maybe $129 or $139 a few weeks ago. And then it went back to regular price on the Dooney website. And then I saw it on I Love Dooney last week for $99. So that's when I decided it was time for me to go ahead and pull the trigger. And so the piece that I'm talking about is another drawstring, and this is the Miley in the black. So let me get all of this wrapping off of here. Y'all, I'm just like, Dooney is just be doing the damn thing. Let's just keep it 100. They did they big one this year. They do they big one every year, but for some reason this year I'm just really, really feeling the sales. And there are so many other things that I want to get that I'm having to exercise so much restraint, guys. Like there are 2 things right now that I want, that I'm just trying my best not to order. And I've also picked up 2 SLGs. So I'll probably end up doing an SLG haul when this is all over, when everything gets here, because I've been ordering SLGs and accessories like I've been ordering handbags. So anyway, let's get all of the wrapping off of here, but let's just get a quick look at this before I get everything off. So this is the Miley drawstring in the black. I'm trying to figure out what the difference between this and the Logan is, because they just seem really, really similar to me, just different names. But I'm gonna tell y'all one thing, I'm just not having the best luck with black with the black Florentine leather. I cannot get a completely smooth piece of black Florentine to save my life. I think the only smooth Florentine that I have is my little my coin pouch, which, if we're being honest, Florentine leather is nice and it's gorgeous whether it's smooth or not. But if I'm being real, I do prefer smooth Florentine. So there's always like a little bit of initial disappointment when I get a bag that's Florentine and the leather's not smooth. So I don't know how I'm gonna get all the plastic. They got plastic on these. Look, guys, it's actually plastic on here. So I don't know how I'm gonna get all of this off. Like, Dooney, y'all they be wrapping their stuff up too much. Like, this is just crazy. I'm gonna have to get my scissors to cut this off. So here we go. So this is what it looks like without all of the extra stuff on. And guys, this is just, this is super cute. Let's get on the inside. Let me get some of this stuffing out of here. So of course, this one does have a dust bag because it's Florentine leather. And just like the Greta, it does have the zip and slip on the back wall and the large slip on the front wall. It has the red interior, and you know, they all have the key keeper. Does this Greta though? I didn't look to see if the Greta has a key keeper. I don't think I've ever had a Dooney that didn't have a key keeper. Yeah, this has a key keeper. So this is the Miley drawstring, and let me just play around with the drawstring and see what it looks like when it's actually cinched in. So this leather is gonna have to soften up a bit because this is as much as it cinches. Like it took everything I had in me to get it cinched that tight. It doesn't cinch all the way closed. And I haven't really seen any unboxings on this bag, so really not familiar with how it does and how it wears. I just know that I like the way it looks. So this is how it looks when it's completely cinched. And even with that, it's still like open, but I mean, it's going to be on your, did y'all see that? It's going to be on your shoulder, but it's going to be on your shoulder anyway. So like, who cares if it's not all the way closed, but this is what it looks like. So it does have the front zipper pocket here. It wouldn't be large enough to fit a phone, but you could definitely put like a small wallet or coin case in here. And then it has 4 feet on the bottom. I like how they did the stitching on this, even though they call this black. The stitching on here is in black. It's like a tannish color. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but I think it's a nice contrast. It's almost like a reddish brownish color stitching. You know if y'all can see that. Really nice contrast. And then there's a braid detail here on the side of the shoulder straps where it connects to the bag. Very nice. Very nice, simple, but well-made leather bucket bag. So even though it's not completely smooth Florentine leather, I guess just black Florentine just doesn't like me. It is very pretty, super gorgeous, and I am satisfied with my purchase. So again, this one was $99 and the Greta was $89. So I am very satisfied with what I got and how much I paid for it. So thank you again for watching. Comment down below and let me know if you have either of these drawstrings or plan on getting one. And don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.